This is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. And I want to start with this brief disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for educational and demonstration purposes only. We take no responsibility for any profits or losses that may be incurred by traders. Everybody, I'm sure, understands that trading is risky, and that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always consider your financial position prior to making a trade, and never trade what you cannot afford to lose. Now, the market's been real difficult to trade lately. You saw what happened today in the markets. There was pretty much of a significant meltdown across the board. Tech obviously did not do well. S&P dropped, Dow dropped. Why is this occurring? Well, if we look at the inflation index, the CPI, you have to understand that this is a rigged number. That the United States only uses food as 10% weight, as food is only weighted 10% in the overall consumer price index, whereas most industrialized nations use food weighted 50%. So inflation is something that you and I face all the time, excuse me, when we go to the supermarket, or if you're doing any repairs on your home, and you go to Home Depot from week to week, you see this astronomical rise in the price of lumber. So we are in an inflationary phase right now. Irrespective of what the gurus are telling you, this is a market that is very treacherous. And although the Fed rate is 0, the interest rate on the 30-year mortgage is starting to tick up. And, we are in potentially what could evolve into a perfect storm. Now, let's just take a look at a few commodities. Now, this is corn, ZC. Look at the rise in price of corn. That is significant. Here's the price of soybeans. Huge move up in soybeans. Here's the price of wheat. It's forming a double top here. I have little doubt that wheat is also going to go higher. Take a look at the price of lumber. If that isn't an incredible rise up, this is almost a geometric rise in price of lumber. So in the face of all this, to say that we're not dealing, that we're not in an inflationary period is really ridiculous. So how do we play this? Now, there are really just a few safe havens. Obviously, tech is not one of them, because I think there's still a lot of froth in tech. And in the face of inflation, we could get a real overall market meltdown. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying we face the potential that this may happen. And as we move forward, we have to take that into consideration as we invest our money. So let me show you one safe way to trade that is going to be of significant value. It is Resolute Forest Products. The ticker is RFP, and it is essentially involved in forest industry products. It produces market pulp, tissue, wood, newsprint, other types of specialty papers, and look at what has gone on with RFP. Now, we tried to catch it today, and you can see I have 5 open positions. I trade all of the calls I make in options with my own live money, real money in Thinkorswim. So I have 5 open positions on RFP. I'm not going to tell you exactly how we best optimize the options configuration, but boy, it rolled right past us today. Now, RFP is definitely worth a chase. We're going to see how it trades tomorrow. But this is where we're going to start rotating a portion of our options portfolio. We're going to rotate it into stocks directly related to commodities. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow evening. Bye-bye.